Moshi Moshi, Moshi Moshi, welcome back. Part 2 of our ellipses, okay? So, I noticed that you guys are getting kind of sick and tired of this because it's too easy, maybe? Well, let's enjoy the easy nature of this, okay? So now we're gonna actually do more with the same concept with the ellipses, right? So now we have sketching the ellipse and writing equations in part 2. All right, so as you can see here, you see an ellipse equation, right? It's like similar to a circle, but not really, okay? We're like, what's going on here? And what's the first thing you're gonna realize? You're like, okay, well, the a squared is bigger than b squared and it's under the y. So I would think that if you were sketching, you would have just drawn already along Mr. V's face, okay? And obviously, I provided you the graph because we're gonna graph this one exactly, not just a sketchy, okay? So that's just to guide us, right? Let's start with the center HK because it's already in STD form, so the standard form, so the center is 0, 0. So let's put a big fat 0, 0. Let's start sketching, right? And let's do our ABCs. Our A equals 7, B equals 5 because this is A squared, this is B squared, right? What's our C squared? Do you guys remember how to do that? Our c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. So it's going to be 49 minus 25, which is 24. So our c is square root of 24. Yikes, that's an ugly number. Okay, all right, so let's do this. Okay, what are we doing now? So we're going to go, well, let's start sketching, right? I mean, we already started sketching. So we already know it's going to be long, so we know for sure our vertices, right? If you guys kind of get this already, you can just stop listening to me and just get started, okay? All right. We know for sure that our x coordinates are not affected, but our y coordinates are, our k are, because it's going to go up and down. So let's do this. So it's going to go up how much for the vertex? It's going to go up and down 7. And for the focus, it's going to go up and down root 24. Okay, and root 24, mind you, it's 2 root 6, right? Because it's 12 times 6. I'm sorry, 4 times 6, right? 2 root 6 is about what? This is between 25 and root 16, right? So it's closer to 5, so maybe about 4.8. That's good enough for me. I don't need an exact answer-ish, okay? So we have that, and we also have our, okay, so let's start with the vertex. So 0, 7, let's actually put different colors on the vertex, all right? And then we go down 7, okay, we're ready. And we have our focus, or foci, right? Our foci is 0, maybe 4.8-ish, okay, 4.8-ish. So, because root 24. So something like maybe here, okay? Okay, and then we have go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe about that much. Okay, and we also have our b values to consider, our minor axes. So how about 0, 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. Okay, and let's sketch that sucker. Do the best you can. Okay, this should kind of guide you. Ding 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 ding. I like to just draw with dotted lines, but make sure it looks like an ellipse, not like a football. Okay. Okay. Beautiful, okay? And I think all we're gonna ask for you to do is label these suckers, okay? So this guy is 0, 7, this guy is 0 plus root 24, this guy is 0, 0, and this guy is 0, negative 7, and this guy is 0, negative root 20, oh, sorry. Or that's fine too, actually. Negative 2 root 6, should I just write it that way? Okay, enable that. Easy peasy. Try the next one all on your own and then start watching the video when you're ready, okay? Okay, welcome back. How did you do? Now, check your picture right now. Is your picture showing a horizontal? So Miss Chang's face, horizontal, because I see that the a squared is underneath the x, okay? So did you get horizontal? So it should be like that somehow, yeah? I hope so. I hope so. All right, let's do the center. Center is your HK. It's already in STD form, so it's going to be -3 and 1. So let's start graphing right away. -3, 1. Woohoo! I got our center already, okay? We know it's going to go like that, okay? So we know it's going to have this, 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 and maybe these. It kind of looks like a baguette, maybe, okay? Actually, it looks like Stewie from that one cartoon show, okay? All right, sorry. Number 3, what are we going to do? We got to find our A, B, C. So we're going to go A squared minus B squared equals C squared. A squared is 16, B squared is 4, so it's C squared. C must be root 12 or 2 root 3, which is about, we did this earlier, and you guys have to think, it's between root 16 and root 9. So it's between, but it's kind of in the center too, right? It's between 3 and 4. So it's about 3, 4, 6, 4, 4. And honestly, I don't need exact values, okay, chicos? All right. Number 4, let's do our vertices and let's do our focus. Again, our vertex. Wait, this is a horizontal, so our H is being affected. Our K's, leave it alone. Leave alone our K's. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. What's our horizontal? It's negative plus or negative. What's our A value? So we didn't write our A. A is 4, B is 2, plus or negative 4. Our focus is -3 plus or negative. We're going to do root 12 just so it could fit there. Oh, sorry, I'm going to write it better for you so I can see it better. Root 12. Okay? All right, but we need to graph it exactly as possible. So we're going to go -3 plus 4, which is 7, 1. Or, -7, 1, or we're going to go 1, 1. So 1, 1, -7, 1. Does that look about right, the vertices? That's the end. That's where our graph ends. Okay, let's do our B really quick. Minor axis. It's going to be this guy and 2, and -3 and 1, 2. Goes 2 down. Oh, so it's not that wide, right? It's a pretty small guy. All right. And this sucker here, don't be scared by these values, everyone. So again, it's -3 plus minus 3.464 or -3 plus 3.464, right? So it's going to be, let's do it with a different marker. Maybe when we do this guy, it's -6.464, so -6, so maybe somewhere here. It's very close to the vertex, and this guy's over here. Very close to the vertex, okay? And again, it's going to be like this. Okay, you can see how if the focus is positioned certain distance away from the center, how that affects the graph. Okay, I'm going to ask about that later, so keep thinking about that. If it's closer together as opposed to farther apart, I wonder what that tells us, okay? All right, so last one. Oh, we've seen this guy before, haven't we? Wait, did we do this guy already? Wait, he looks so familiar. Same, but a little different, people. Okay, bing, 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 bing. Okay, let's write the equation again. Is it longer or is it shorter? We don't know, so let's see. Well, this looks like 0. This is 0 and -2. So that means B is, well, we don't know if it's B. But we know that's 2. But this guy, it goes from 0 to 4. So it's a horizontal. Okay, horizontal, so start this. Y minus K equals 1. Hiya, 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 hiya. Okay? Yeah, and we're given everything we need. What's the center? How do you calculate the center? If the graph wasn't there, would you know what to do? I mean, isn't it between 0 and 4? What's between 0 and 4? Okay? I hope you can come up with 2. How about the y value, right? It's between 0 and -2. It was between 0 and 4 for the h. K is between 0 and -2. What's between that? I hope you can come up with -1. We're almost done. What's our A? Our A is, watch. How did it go from here to here? How much is it? How much did it go from here to here? So again, 4, that means it's 2. What's our B? How much did it go from here to here? Well, this guy is -2. This guy is 0. Wait a second. Oh, this guy is -2. This guy is 2, -1. This guy is 1. This guy is 1. So that means it's going to be 1. All right, let's put it all together. You got it. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 1. Hiya, 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 hiya. All right. How does that sound to you? Okay, are you doing okay? All right. Well, good luck. See you later.